All right, I got the Watook compressed air duster. Remember spray cans, canned air? Don't need it anymore. You got this thing. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I could show it to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. So this thing's pretty awesome. It's got a nice textured handle on the side. It's got some heft to it. Doesn't feel cheap. Nice hard ABS or plastic, whatever they're using here. Pretty cool. It takes the place of your, your canned air, and it does all kinds of other stuff too. So let you know, it comes with a little bag you can put all this stuff in. Comes with about a 28-inch USB-C type charging cable. I think it's a DC 5 volt. Doesn't come with a charging block, just the cable, 28 inches. This thing will kick out up to 60,000 RPMs, which is pretty cool. And it comes with these nozzles. Let me show you these nozzles. So it's got a large diameter nozzle, small diameter nozzle, brush nozzle, a long nozzle, and this is what I think is cool, an inflator nozzle. You could, inflate rafts and all that stuff that you usually blow up. This is cool, and it's all handheld. Like, the way these nozzles work, they work one of two ways. Either the large ones fit over top of the orange thing here, and the smaller ones fit inside of the orange hole. It just kind of snaps into place and stays there. I'm actually going to use this to clean out my furnace filter today. So it's got a charging port on the back, USB charging cable. You just plug this thing in, and the light turns on red to let you know that it's charging, and it'll turn green when it's done. And the way this works, and you want to pay attention to this and the instructions are on the side, you got to press and hold this down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3 seconds. It goes into speed 1, speed 2, and speed 3. Look at my hair. So something like this would obviously be great for blowing out the old keyboard. And you press it again, and it turns off. So, gosh, so many different things you can do with this. Inside of here, I can see there's a little filter inside of there. Filter particles from coming out, which is kind of cool. 1, 2, 3. Just looking for an awesome air duster to replace the old canned air or whatever it is you're using these days. It might be bigger or bulkier. This thing's handheld, kind of like using a heat gun or anything else tool you might use, cordless drill. Pretty cool. Feels good. Feels strong as 30. It's got 3 different speeds on it. It's rechargeable. Gets the job done. Check out this air duster by Watook. Check it out.